Today we are going to learn the topic Laplace transforms. It is very important chapter, important unit in this semester. Based on this, in another unit, next unit, inverse Laplace transforms also depends on this chapter only, Laplace transform. If you know it is perfectly, then we can easily follow the next unit also. So be concentrate on this topic. In this class we will going to learn about definition of Laplace transform, and depending on the definition we will learn some basic formulas. Next, linearity property of Laplace transform, and then some problems, example problems. So let us see first definition Laplace transforms. If f of t be any function, then the Laplace transform of f of t is denoted by L of f of t. Denoted by L of f of t. L of f of t means Laplace transform of f of t, and it is defined as L of f of t equal to integration 0 to infinity e to the power of minus s into t f of t dt. The value of this integration 0 to infinity e to the power of minus s into f of t dt, that value is called Laplace transform of f of t, and it is denoted by L of f of t, and it is the function of s, and limits we will get the function of answer should be in terms of s. The function is in terms of t, we will get answer in f bar s. It is denoted by f bar s in terms of s, therefore it is a function of s. So Laplace transform of f of t is denoted by L of f of t, and it is defined as integration 0 to infinity e to the power of minus s into t f of t dt. Okay. This is about definition of Laplace transform. Laplace transform of function is denoted by L of f of t, and it is defined as integration 0 to infinity e to the power of minus s into t f of t dt. Okay. Based on this definition, some standard functions, Laplace transform of some standard functions, we will see the formulas. Sorry, what happened? Some problem is there. 1 minute. Okay. Next, we will see the formulas. Basic formulas. The Laplace transform of k. L of k is k by s, and next L of e to the power of at is 1 by s minus a. L of e to the power of minus at is 1 by s plus a. Laplace transform of sin at is a by s square plus a square. L of cos at is s by s square plus a square. L of sin h of at is a by s square minus a square. L of cos h of at is s by s square minus a square. L of t to the power of n is n factorial by s to the power of n plus 1. These are 8 standard formulas. Laplace transform of k, Laplace transform of e to the power of at, Laplace transform of e to the power of minus e to the power of minus at, Laplace transform of sin at, Laplace transform of cos at, Laplace transform of sin h of at, Laplace transform of cos h of at, Laplace transform of t to the power of n. These formulas are very important and compulsory. You have to buy at all the formulas. Okay. Next, we will see the property. First property is linearity property. If f of t and g of t are two functions, and if L of f of t, Laplace transform of f of t is f bar s, and Laplace transform of L of g of t equal to g bar s, then Laplace transform of c1 into f of t plus c2 into g of t equal to c1 into L of f of t plus c2 into L of g of t. means the coefficients c1 c2 must be outside and sum of two functions. So first function Laplace transform, next second function transform, second function Laplace transform. If three more Laplace functions are there, means sum of 3, sum of 4 functions. We will take that one, and coefficients must be outside. So first of all, we see the first problem. Find Laplace transform of e to the power of 2t minus 4t cube plus 2 into sine 3t. Okay, here we have 4 functions. Algebraic sum of 4 functions, e to the power of 2t minus 4t cube plus 3 functions, sorry, e to the power of 2t plus 4t cube to sine 3t. So by using linearity property, first we will divide individual. First function Laplace transform, L of e to the power of 2t, minus sign is already there, so L of 4 into e to the 4 into t cube plus L of 2 into sine 3t. By linearity property is 3 functions, algebraic sum of 3 functions are there, we can divide into individual. First function, second function, third function. Okay, then in the coefficients, second and third functions we have coefficients, so coefficient must be taken outside. So next step, L of e to the power of 2t, 4 outside, 4 into L of Laplace transform of t cube, 2 outside coefficient, 2 into L of sine 3t. So 2 into e to the power of 3t. Next step, first formula, it is first one is L of e to the power of 2t, it is in the base formula of L of e to the power of 8, 1 by s minus a. L of e to the power of 8 is 1 by s minus a, where a equal to 2. And next second one is L of t to the power of n formula, basing on that is n factorial by s to the power of n plus 1, where n equal to 3. We substitute n equal to 3. And next third one, L of sine 3t, means it is the formula of depending on L of sine of 80. L of sine of 80 means a by s square plus a square, where a equal to 3. So by depending on these formulas, we can write L of 2t equal to L of 2 to the power of e to the power of 2t equal to 1 by s minus 2, 4 into L of t cube, means 3 n equal to 3, so 3 factorial by s to the power of 3 minus 3 plus 1, 2 into L of a equal to 3 here, so 3 by s square plus 3 square. So by simplification, we get answer 1 by s minus 2, 4 into 3 factorial means 6, 6 into 4 24, 24 by s to the power of 4 plus 2 into 3 6, 6 by s square plus 9. This is the answer of this problem. So in this problem we have total 3 formulas. We depending on the 3 formulas, Laplace transform of e to the power of 80, Laplace transform of t to the power of n, Laplace transform of sine 80. So based on these formulas and linearity property, we will get the answer. Okay, we will go next one. Okay, next slide, next problem. We will see the next problem. So L of e to the power of 2t plus 4 into L of t cube, L of e to the power of 2t plus 4 into L of t cube minus 2 into L of sin 3t plus 3 into L of cos 3t. Means here 4 is the constant outside, here 2 is the constant outside, 3 is the constant outside. Coefficients are outside, remaining functions are inside. So by the same formulas, L of e to the power of 2t formula, 1 by s minus a, here a equal to 2, so we get 1 by s minus 2. And next t cube formula, t to the n factorial by s to the power of n plus 1, where n equal to 3, so 3 factorial by s to the power of n plus 1. And sin 80 formula, a by s square plus a square, where a equal to 3, so 3 by s square plus a square. Next cos 3t formula, s by s square plus a square, where a equal to here also 3, so s square by s square plus 3 square. So by simplification, we get the answer L of 1 by s minus 2, 24 by s to the power of 4 minus 6 by s square plus 9, 3s by s square plus 9. This is, so we will First of all, we have to know the formulas. If you have the idea of the formulas, if you remember the formulas, then problems are very easy. Only linearity property, taken coefficients outside, and then remaining functions Laplace transforms. Okay. Next, let us see next problem. Laplace transform of, find the Laplace transform of e to the power of t minus e to the power of minus 3t. So it is algebraic sum of two functions, e to the power of t minus e to the power of minus 3t by linearity property. So first linearity property, we divide it into two functions, L of e to the power of tt minus L of e to the power of minus 3t. So it is two formulas, L of at formula 1 by s minus a, where a equal to 1, and L of e to the power of minus at, a equal to 3. So 1 by s minus 1, we get answer 1 by s plus 3. So these formulas are very important. If you remember these formulas, problems will be very easy. So let us go next problem. Find Laplace transform of sorry, 1 minute. Laplace transform of Laplace transform of L of 3t square plus 4 into sin 2t plus 3 into cos 2t minus 1. So here we have four functions. So by linearity property, we divide it into coefficients are outside and Laplace transform of functions. 3 into 3 is the coefficient, 3 into L of t square plus 4 into L of sin 2t plus 3 into L of cos 2t minus L of 1. Okay, these are the four formulas, four functions. So taken coefficients are outside and remaining formulas. So here we have t to the power of n formula, sin 2t formula we need, cos 2t formula, L of k. So these formulas, L of t to the power of n formula, n factorial by s to the power of n plus 1, L of sin at formula, a by s square plus a square, L of cos at formula, s by s square plus a square, L of k formula, k by s. So t to the power of n formula, where n equal to 2, so 2 factorial by s to the power of n plus 1. Sin 2t formula, where a equal to 2, so 2 by s square plus a square. Cos 2t formula, where a equal to 2, so s by s square plus a square. L of k formula, where k equal to 1, we get 1 by s. So by simplification, we get 6 by s cube, 8 by s square plus 4, 3s by s square plus 4, 1 by s. So let us go. If you remember these formulas are very, very important basic formulas, then property, then we will proceed. Okay, formulas are very important. Next, we will do next problem. Find L of cos square 2t. L of cos square 2t. So cos square 2t means we don't have that basic 8 formulas. Cos square theta formula, we don't have cos square formula. We have only formula for e to the power of at, e to the power of minus at, sin at, cos at, sin h of at, cos h of at, t to the power of n, and L of k. We don't have the formula for cos square 2t. So first we simplify using trigonometric identities. So we have the formula for cos square theta. Cos square theta formula is 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2, where here theta means we have the 2t. So by simplification, cos square 2t, we can write it as 1 plus cos 4t, 2 into 2t, 4t by 2. So here 1 by 2 is outside. So we get L of 1 plus cos 4t. So here also same, sum of two functions. So Laplace transform of 1 plus Laplace transform of cos 4t. Okay, cos 4t. So here we need formula for L of k and L of cos at. L of a means L of k by s. L of cos at means s by s square plus a square, where a equal to 4t. By writing here, we get the answer 1 by 2 into 1 by s plus s by s square plus 60. Okay, next we will go to next problem. Find Laplace transform of L of cos 6t into cos 3t. For this also we don't have the formula directly, so first we use trigonometric identities to simplify, then use the formulas. So first one, it is of the form 2 cos a cos b. So we have the formula 2 cos a cos b formula, cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b, where a equal to cos 6t and b equal to cos 3t. So substitution this a equal to 6t, b equal to 3t in the formula, we get 1 by 2 into cos 6t plus 3t plus cos 6t minus 3t. So simplifying this, we get L of cos 9t plus cos 3t. So then we will use the formula L of cos 80. L of cos 80 s by s square plus a square, where a equal to 9, first one cos 90 and second one a equal to 3. By substituting the formulas, we get 1 by 2 s by s square plus 81 plus s by s square plus 9. Okay, next we will go for next problem. Find L of 2 into sin 5t plus 3 into cos 6t. So here we have two functions. So by linearity property, constant is outside, 2 is outside, L of sin 5t minus 3 into L of cos 6t. So we need formulas, sin 80 formula a by s square plus a square, and L of cos 80 s by s square plus a square. In sin 80 a equal to 5, in cos 80 a equal to 6. By substituting, we get 2 into 5 by s square plus 5 square minus 3 into s by s square plus 6 square. By simplification, we get 10 by s square plus 2s minus 3s by s square plus 36. Okay, next problem. Find Laplace transform of L of e to the power of minus 3t 4 into cos h of 3t plus sin 2t. Means here we have three functions. By linearity property, Laplace transform of first function, Laplace transform of second function, Laplace transform of third function, and no coefficients are there. It means we use directive formulas. First one, L of e to the power of minus 80 formula 1 by s plus a, and second one L of cos h of 80 s by s square minus a square, and L of sin 80 a by s square plus a square. In cos ht, here a equal to 1, sin 80 here a equal to 2. By substituting substituting these formulas, we get 1 by s plus 3, s by s square minus 1 square plus 2 by s square plus 2 square. By simplification, we get the last step 1 by s plus 3, s by s square minus 1, 2 by s square plus 4. Okay, we will do next problem. L of Laplace transform of sin square t. Here also we don't have the formula for sin square t directly. So by using trigonometric identity, first simplify the sin square t. Sin square t means 1 minus cos 2t by 2. So here sin square t means 1 minus cos 2t by 2. By substituting this formula, and 1 by 2 is coefficient outside, L of 1 minus L of cos 2t, and formula L of k formula 1 by k by s. So k means here 1, and L of cos 2t formula s by s square plus 4. We get answer 1 by 2 into 1 by s minus s by s square plus 4. Okay, we will do last problem. So in this chapter, the formulas are very important. If you know the formulas, the problems are very easy. Okay, last problem. Find L of cos 5t into cos 2t. Here also same. In the last problem we did 2 cos a cos b formula. Using this cos a cos b formula, first simplify cos 5t cos 2t, a equal to 5t, b equal to 2t. So simplifying this, we get 1 by 2 into L of 5t plus 2t అంటే cos of 7t plus cos of 3t. By using formulas L of cos 7t formula, L of cos 3t formula, we get this one 1 by 2 s by s square plus 7 square plus s by s square plus c square. By simplifying we get 1 by 2 s by s square plus 49 plus s by s square plus 9. So students, be careful about these formulas. By add these formulas we get these formulas only, we will have another same problems. So remember these formulas, and next class we will see another property and problems. Okay, thank you.